Great. Let us get started with the next section. And in the first lecture, we are going to talk about the basic definition of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of defending computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from malicious attacks that often hackers are trying to breach. It's also known as information technology security or electronic information security. Again, this term of cybersecurity applies in a variety of contexts from business to mobile computing, and it can be divided into a few common categories like network security, application security, information security, operational security, disaster recovery and business continuity, and user education. Now, as I said, the global threat continues to evolve at a rapid pace with a rising number of data breaches per year. Now, medical devices, retailers, and even public entities have experienced cyber attacks, and that is why we need cybersecurity. Another alternate definition of cybersecurity can be it is the application of technologies, processes, and controls to protect the systems, networks, programs, devices, and data from cyber attacks. It's like protecting something from something. So, cyber security is protection of computer systems, of hardware from malicious attacks. Now, people often get confused with information security and cybersecurity because they think that both the terms are exactly same. Well, today I would like to tell you that these terms are not at all same. Cybersecurity focuses on protecting the computer systems from unauthorized access, whereas information security is a broader category that looks to protect all the information assets. It can be digital copies of something, let's say video lectures or documents. It can be human resources. It can be monetary assets. It can be the employee's identity. It can be physical security. So everything that is falls under the category of information security. So we can say that cybersecurity is a part of information security, but information security is a much broader category. So if anyone asks you the difference between a cybersecurity and information security, make sure that you understand this difference properly. And due to the rise of information security, cybersecurity is also on the front line. So to have a quick recap of this lecture, cybersecurity is basically the application of technologies to defend the computer systems. It can be servers, they can be mobile electronic devices like your own laptop, your company's laptop, or your own mobile from the malicious attacks. And information security is a much broader category. So this is the difference, and this is the basic definition of cybersecurity, which you can see on the screen. Great. I hope you have understood the definition of cybersecurity. If you still have any doubts, please feel free to ask us in the Q&A portion. In the next lecture, we are going to talk about the different types of cybersecurity. And the first one is going to be the network security.